Here's my finished subcomponent for Project Egress. I was assigned one of the many latching mechanisms. I chose to go with a ColorFab Bronzefill. So this fully assembled subcomponent weighs in about 0.4 pounds. That's about 180 grams. So it's got the density, it's got the mass of metal, but this was a fully 3D printed part except for the hardware and screws you see. I did use a PETG for the roller here on the front, but the part itself, when it comes together with the rest of the unit, is actually functional. So as a lever will pull on this component, you can see the latching mechanism come up and down. It was a lot of fun. Appreciate being part of the team. The post-processing I chose to use on this ColorFab Bronzefill was a tumbling with a stainless steel media. It gives it a really nice bronze look while being fully 3D printed.